The Workforce Spotlight, sponsored by Workforce Connection.
Hi, I'm Brittany from Workforce Connection, here to tell you about EMS Corps Fresno. Looking for a career where you can make a real difference? This isn't just training, it's preparation for real life. At EMS Corps Fresno, you don't sit on the sidelines. You train, you respond, you grow. In just 5 months, Fresno County residents gain hands-on EMT trainings, real ride-alongs, mentorship, job readiness, and physical fitness. If you're 18 to 26 and ready to serve your community, this program opens doors to careers in EMS, fire, and healthcare. Step up, build your future with EMS Corps Fresno. Apply today at fresnoemscorps.org.
This Workforce Spotlight is sponsored by Workforce Connection.